Okay, so I'm doing another video. This video is on the chain rule explained. Um, yeah, again, this is going to rely heavily on derivatives. So if you don't know what those are, check out my video on derivatives explained. Yeah, first of all, what's a composite function? A composite function is a function that uses another function as a variable. A real life example of this could be, for example, an electric bike that to motivate you to ride harder only puts in as much energy as you do pedaling. So yeah, you could have a formula for you pedaling, and then the formula for the bike's total speed would be 2 times the function for pedaling. So that, for example, could be a composite function. Now, the chain rule is basically how to turn such a function, a composite function, into a derivative. So, yeah, so the derivative of the composite function is basically just function 1 times function 2. So both functions times each other. So you basically just ignore the inner function of the composite function and just kind of see it as one variable, and then you multiply it by the derivative of the inner function later. So this might not be a good explanation, but let me give you an example. For example, here we have the function f, which is 2u, and function g is 3x. So the derivative of function f would be 2, and the derivative of function g would be 3, which means it would be 2 times 3, which makes sense because the derivative, or because function f is multiplied by function g in real life, because the function g is a variable in function f. So function f is dependent on g. So yeah, it makes sense the derivative would also have to be multiplied. But yeah, that is basically the chain rule.